He's like, I'm like, you suck, dude. Look at that one pull. Look at that, dude. $92 shipped to my door. Watch this shit. That's stupid. I got steel chainsaws that cost $500. Look, look.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you our build and what we've been up to this winter. Check it out. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. What's up, guys? I'm going to start this off for you guys. We're excited to hear it. Let's check it out. Alright guys, that's all we have time for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos.
Also, we'll be announcing Easy Street Build's first giveaway. Hit that like button, comment below, and smash that subscribe button.
See you guys next time.
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything.